Hey guys and girls, what's going on? Josh back here with another video. Today this is quite a quick build. What I'm going to be making is a fire pit. It's nothing too major, it's just the cylinder and a hot plate welded on top of it, a chimney, door opening, job done. Nothing too major, like I said, so this is a really easy build if you want to do it. You can use an angle grinder for most of this. I'll most likely be using a plasma cutter, but you can use an angle grinder. Like always, I won't show opening the propane cylinder because I don't endorse doing it. It's not safe, but this one's been open for ages, the way I got it, so I've got no problem with it. But yeah, hope you'll enjoy the video. Alright, so one thing I didn't show yet again is, like I didn't on the barbecue build, is this, the turn clip for opening it. It's pretty simple. It's just a bolt put straight through, and then a piece of flat bar and a washer behind it, welded, weld it all, and then from the front a nut, and then welded to the threaded bar, and then cut, and then a piece of 8mm round bar welded onto it. Yeah, it worked pretty well actually. It works well in the barbecue too, so I thought I'd go with it for this design. And as you can see, there is very little wobble to it, so I can't complain at that. Yeah, I thought I'd just take you for a quick rundown. I don't know whether to leave that on there or put another handle in the middle. I think I might do that. I've got a nice pineapple twist, so I might do that. Yeah, let's see what happens. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed that video. This was a real fun project. A few things as you saw, me problems with welding. I was welding it at 3mm where I shouldn't have, so I turned it down to 1.8mm, and I got a nicer consistent weld. It weren't blowing through. I think it's because they made out of carbon steel. I think that was the problem. I could be wrong, but yeah, this was a real fun project. I welded the feet on. That was a bit of a challenge. I've never done this before, but I think it was a fairly easy project. If you want to do it, it's great. Summer nights, fantastic. Have a fire, have a drink. Job's a good one. But yeah, it was a really fun project. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter and Facebook. All them links will be in the description below too. Go check out some of my playlists. They're in the description too. Woodworking, metalworking, knife making, all that goodness. They're in the description below. Also, previous video, future videos, they're in the description below too. Yeah, I hope you go check it out. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.